Hello, Police Best for UK here, and welcome to today's Game of Day video. Every day 6 PM, May 2020, a different ZX Spectrum game on my channel. Now this game had some impressive speech at the start, as you just heard. Twin Turbo V8. So this is by Codemasters. Jay Preston did the picture. This is a louder picture, and you get to have some nice little beeping music. Sounds really good. You see the red car, nice drawing of the car and stuff, and you can see the city in the background, the sunset, and the sign saying which way to go. So yeah, let's have a look at this one. So let's press spacebar to start the game. So we've got Codemasters, copyright 1989. So yeah, this is Twin Turbo V8. It's a driving simulator. Now you've got, it's actually against the time. It's not against other cars, even though there is other cars on the track. Oh you fuck! My car just exploded and all its wheels went everywhere. So yeah, the game uses some sort of vector graphics by the looks of it, or like similar idea to vector graphics. Plays really well actually on Spectrum. I do quite like this game. This is another one of them games I had as a kid. All the sort of lampposts and stuff are all transparent, and they're all vector. I think it's to keep up the speed, because polygons on the Spectrum go at a very slow rate indeed. So keeping it vector-like is keeps up the speed. You can see the game's got plenty of hills and stuff. The dots on the ground give it a nice impression of a good steep rise and climb and decline and stuff on the hills. Right, yeah. So it's sort of like a contender to Outrun, but it's not the same league as Outrun, of course. But this is only a budget title by Codemasters back in the day. The game also came out on the Amstrad CPC, but that's it. There was no other system that it was released for, I don't think. Now Commodore 64 version. Now 16-bit version. But yeah, it's not too bad of a game. I do like this one. I think it got mixed reviews in the past, in the magazines and stuff, and you might not think it's as good. But I do like this one. I have got fond memories of this game, and I think it plays really well. Because it's got them vector graphics, it keeps the speed up. Oh you fuck! So I just spun round right here. Oh you fucking, you've made me lose it. Oh, just made it. So yeah, on the second level we got trees instead of lampposts. Well, like stick trees, like a sort of autumn scene. Oh you booner, these cars are getting on my nerves. I need to move out of my way. Can you move out my way please? So yeah, yeah, what more can you say? It's a pretty good driving game. It's got quite a lot of speed, like I keep mentioning. It's not too slow, considering it's running on 3 MHz or so a Z80 chip. The sound is just basic engine sounds, and there's that impressive speech at the beginning, and that's the only time you hear that speech. You won't hear the speech again in the game, just as the game finishes loading. Oh you booner! I just went into the tree right here and smashed. So even though it's such a thin tree, it made my car explode still. Strong thin tree. So going through the bridges now, look really good. You can see even with all these bridges, the game's still keeping up the pace, not slowing down too much. The game is pretty easy, but well, it normally is, but I'm not doing too well on this attempt. But yeah, that's a quick look at Twin Turbo V8 on the Spectrum. I'm going to give Twin Turbo V8 8 out of 10. I do like that one. So yeah, thank you for watching. Goodbye.